scientists discovers, look how the use of a potato can light a room for a month. Is incredible. A team of researchers who were trying to find alternative energy sources discovered that potatoes are a great source of energy. Potatoes that were cooked for 8 minutes can produce 10 times more energy than regular batteries. Chaim Rabinovich, a professor of science and agriculture, and his team discovered a new revolutionary way to produce electricity. They took potato slices, placed them between a copper cathode and a zinc anode, connected them with a cable, and discovered that this design can be used to illuminate a room with LED lights for up to 40 days. They were able to prove that potatoes can turn on electronic devices with the tenth of the price of normal AA batteries. This is an extraordinary discovery if you take into account some general facts about potatoes. First, they can grow almost anywhere, in all climates and in all seasons. Second, the world abounds with potatoes. There is never a shortage of potatoes. Finally, it must be remembered that potatoes are not a source of energy. They are limited to energy, acting as a bridge between all the metal. They allow electrons to travel through the wire, thus creating electricity. And the best thing is that potatoes are rich in starch, which allows them to be stored for months with